Hey guys, Charity here. I'm in my garden. I wanted to share a 2-minute garden tip with you for prepping for fall. This space, while glorious and very productive, is also very weedy, and maybe your garden has gotten a little bit away from you, and that's okay. It happens to the best of us. It's hot, it's summertime. Here is where I focus my energy. These 3 rows here are going to be here until frost. This row has peppers down it, this row has peppers, this row has peppers. I have a very weedy mess here. This row is pretty good. That row is decent. On these other rows, I've got things like beans that are gonna be harvested and taken out within the next month. I've got okra back there, which is gonna last for a good bit. I've got popcorn, stuff like that. What I am going to do right now in my garden and focus all of my energy on is weeding the things that are gonna be here all year until the frost. And let me tell you why. These pepper plants are gonna be here all the way until frost. If I weed these and I fertilize and I mulch them, they will continue producing all the way until frost, doing a fantastic job. And in these other areas over here, like this row that nothing germinated in, I'm gonna come through with a weed eater in a month, and I'm just gonna weed eat all that down. I'm gonna mulch it, dig some spots, I'm gonna resow some seeds for something different. I wanna make sure everything that I put effort into already is going to continue to be able to thrive all the way until the frost. So I am going to take care of these things now that are in, so that when it comes time to plant, I will not be stressed about these beds. The next video that you're gonna see coming out tomorrow is gonna be about fall garden planning in South Louisiana in Zone 9. And I'm gonna be sharing when I'm starting my seeds, what seeds I'm starting, what I'm direct sowing, when I'm going to be planting all things like garlic and onions and broccoli, all of the things. That's gonna be the video that comes out tomorrow. I hope this helps you. If you've come into your garden and you're a little bit overwhelmed and you're unsure where to start by taking care of the plants if you got that are going to be here all the way till frost, and let's worry about these next spaces once we get that taken care of. I'll see you tomorrow.